health condition which affects the joints. This genetic ailment is more common in men than women, and to date, has no known cure. It is caused by an excess amount of uric acid in the bloodstream, and attacks can be chronic. Here is our straightforward guide to preventing the onset of gout in the best way possible, the natural way, with 6 natural remedies. Uric acid is caused by purine metabolisms, which are proteins found in sardines and anchovies, as well as alcohol. Some medication and supplements can also cause a buildup of uric acid. Examples include salicylates, the active component of aspirin, vitamin B3, too much vitamin C, and diuretics. Alcohol consumption, excess weight, and lead exposure can increase the chances of gout developing in those with a genetic susceptibility. Doctors can recommend medicine to alleviate inflammation and pain, and usually opt for non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen and Tylenol. They can also prescribe medicine that work to lower uric acid levels and thereby lessen crystal formation, such as Colchicine, corticosteroids, or allopurinol. Prescription medicine is often accompanied by strong side effects, and will require lifelong consumption. There are also several natural treatments which focus on relieving pain. The following 6 remedies ingredients can easily be bought at the grocery store and can be administered in the comfort of your own home. 1. Apple cider vinegar. This common cooking ingredient can raise your body's alkaline level, thereby reducing gout pain considerably. With its significant acidity, apple cider vinegar is commonly used to treat headaches and stomach acid. The best way to effectively ingest apple cider vinegar is by drinking it in a glass of water. Mix in 1 teaspoon to 1 glass of water, and drink this mixture 3 times a day. To sweeten this bitter drink, add some honey, which can also boost your body's anti-inflammatory response. 2. Activated charcoal. One wouldn't naturally think of charcoal as a solution for any medical condition, but it seems activated charcoal is perfectly safe and known to absorb uric acid. The best way to use it to prevent gout flare-ups is by soaking in a bath of charcoal 2 to 3 times a week. You can add half a cup of charcoal powder to your bath water. When a paste is formed, add more water and soak your affected joint for at least half an hour. If you don't enjoy soaking, applying a charcoal paste directly to the skin of the affected joint is an option. You can leave this on for half an hour and then remove with lukewarm water. The alternative solution is to consume activated charcoal tablets. This option does require consultation with your physician. 3. Baking soda. Baking soda is another household item that can be effective in treating gout pain. Baking soda reduces uric acid in the body. In an 8 ounces glass of water, mix in half a teaspoon of baking soda and drink it. You can repeat this several times a day. No more than 4 teaspoons should be consumed in one day, and if you are over 60 years old, only 3 teaspoons per day should be consumed in total. Note: this method is not recommended for anyone suffering from hypertension, as baking soda is known to elevate blood pressure. 4. Cherries. Cherries are another one of nature's treats that can help with gout. They are not only packed with antioxidants but also anthocyanins, which are known to reduce joint inflammation and can substantially reduce gout from flaring up and subsequent attacks. A daily serving of 15 to 20 cherries is recommended. If you want to avoid the high concentration of sugar in the fresh fruit, try drinking a glass of black cherry juice or a cherry juice concentrate daily. 5. Apples. The commonly heard phrase "an apple a day keeps the doctor away" can be especially true when it comes to gout. An apple after each meal, as endorsed by medical experts, can be very effective. The strong component of malic acid in apples can neutralize uric acid, thereby offering relief to both pain and inflammation. Some people don't enjoy the texture of apples. For those people, I recommend trying apple juice or dicing the apples up and adding them to a bowl of cherries. 6. Lemon juice. Another way to neutralize excess uric acid in the bloodstream, which can provide relief from pain caused by bouts of gout, is with lemon juice. The freshly squeezed juice of a lemon can alkalize the body. Another useful way to consume it is adding a lemon half to a glass of water, as this will be less strong than pure lemon juice. You can also mix the juice of a lemon with half a teaspoon of baking soda. When the mixture stops fizzing, add it to a glass of water and drink it immediately. Symptoms of gout. Crystals develop on the joints, followed by intense and sudden pain. Joints can swell, feel warm and tender, and can't bear the pressure of touch. You won't be able to move the affected joint much. Primarily felt in the feet, specifically the big toe, although it can flare up in the ankles, heels, knees, wrists, fingers, or elbows. Skin surrounding the joint can turn red or purple, and appears bruised. After gout subsides, you will have lingering discomfort around the joints, and the skin around the joint will peel and feel itchy. After extended periods of gout, nodules may develop beneath the skin, near the joints. Repeated bouts can also damage your joints and the kidney. Fluid sacs cushioning tissues around the elbow or knee may become inflamed. Symptoms often follow surgery or an illness. 6 reasons why you need to dissolve baking soda in water. Have you ever thought about drinking baking soda? After reading through its wonderful health benefits, you may want to start. Also called bicarbonate of soda or sodium bicarbonate, this outstanding ingredient, dissolved in water, has long been used to relieve symptoms associated with arthritis, indigestion, heartburn and infection. Consumed in moderate amounts and at appropriate times, this unusual drink can provide many benefits to the body. Before you start, a word of caution. When drinking baking soda, mix half teaspoon of baking soda into half glass of water. This is a safe dose that will relieve heartburn, indigestion and other ailments. See below. People aged between 5 and 60 can take up to 7 doses, at 2-hour intervals, in a 24-hour period. People older than 60 should not consume more than 3 doses within 24 hours. If consuming the maximum dose, do not exceed more than 2 weeks. Disorders that crop up frequently should be seen to by your doctor. Furthermore, consuming too much baking soda water can be harmful for people with diabetes, kidney disease or chronic health conditions. Read more about drinking baking soda water safely below. The benefits of drinking baking soda water? Drinking baking soda water periodically can boost your health. It works as an antacid and antiseptic, which helps ease stomach and digestive problems. Below are 6 reasons why drinking baking soda water is good for you. 1. It neutralizes stomach acid. Baking soda is best known for its antacid properties, meaning that it neutralizes acid, particularly in the stomach. Acid reflux disease, often called heartburn, is normally caused due to a number of issues. Stomach acid splashes out of the stomach into the esophagus and can sometimes reach as far up as the throat, causing an unpleasant feeling. However, drinking baking soda water can help neutralize the stomach's hydrochloric acid, easing the symptoms associated with heartburn. The baking soda water also encourages burping, and this relieves bloating and gas. 2. It contains mild antiseptic properties. Baking soda is a mild antiseptic that can be used to kill some kinds of parasites, fungi and mold. To reap the benefits, apply baking soda to your toothbrush to disinfect the brush and clean your teeth. You can also gargle with baking soda water to help minimize the symptoms of a sore throat or a persistent cough. 3. It promotes more alkaline pH in the body. While acidity is necessary for effective digestion of food, an overall alkaline pH in your body is considered healthier, primarily because many diseases thrive in an acidic environment. Diseases of a degenerative nature like osteoporosis, arthritis and cancer have all been associated with a chronically high acidity level in the body. Baking soda water will therefore bring about a worthwhile dietary change. 4. It can alleviate symptoms associated with gout. Gout is a type of joint inflammation that happens when uric acid builds up in the urine, blood and tissues. But drinking baking soda water can balance the body's pH level, alleviating the symptoms associated with gout. 5. It can be used to treat kidney stones. Kidney conditions can result when the ionic balance in your body is disrupted. Acidic urine can lead to the formation of kidney stones. When this occurs, treat with baking soda to restore a healthy ionic balance, discouraging kidney stone formation. 6. It can treat urinary tract infections. Drinking baking soda water can help the body overcome the infection by reducing acid in the urine. Alongside this remedy, drink plenty of water and lots of cranberry juice too. How to drink baking soda water for various ailments. 1. Drink it for your body's pH. Determine whether you need to drink baking soda water for your body's pH. Buy some litmus pH paper from your local pharmacy and use it to measure your urine and saliva. First thing in the morning, measure your saliva. This should ideally be between 7.0 and 7.4. Do so before you drink anything. A urine pH reading between 6.0 and 7.0 is appropriate in the morning, and this should slightly increase throughout the day. If your pH levels are consistently lower than this, You can use baking soda water to bring your levels up. Here's how: drink a glass of water with half a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in it twice per day. Drink it only between meals and continue to monitor your pH. If it's still low, drink the mix 4 times per day. Once it is normalized, include more vegetables and less acidic food into your diet. 2. Drink it for a cold or the flu. Baking soda has been shown to reduce the duration of cold and flu. In fact, it has been shown to eliminate symptoms within 36 hours. Here's how: on the first day, drink 6 doses of baking soda water at 2-hour intervals. On day 2, drink 4 doses of baking soda water at the same intervals. On the third day, drink 2 doses of baking soda water, one in morning and another